Here I have an E Schmeckenbecher one-day cuckoo clock without the water wheel. Some came with the water wheels and some didn't. This one did not come with the water wheel. I just got through working on this clock, and I'll explain that in a second. You got the wood chopper up here. You got the people sawing the log here. Sounds pretty good. The music was dragging, and I thought, and I owe William Thomas an apology, but I thought that the governor fan was too tight. The blade was too tight. What it was this connector that holds the fan in the governor fan in was too tight. It was squeezed too much. I lifted it up some, which allowed the fan to spin easier. So if your music is dragging, this might be down too far. Lift it up some. Also, there's a little washer on top. You can take that washer off to oil the pivot hole. I hope y'all like this YouTube video. Please subscribe to my channel, and God bless.